Hello students, how are you all? I hope all you are fine and well. Welcome to my environmental science class. Myself Shomiron sir. Today we will discuss something new. So I hope you have already seen the chapter Food and Fun in your EVS book, and many of you have already gone through some videos on it as well as you have read the chapter. So today from this chapter of Food and Fun we will do one case study. So the topic of our case study is Guru Kalangar, the Golden Temple at Amritsar. So I hope that all of you know about the Golden Temple which is located in Amritsar. So on this we will discuss one case study, and at the end of the case study I have provided you some question. You have to go through the case study properly and you have to write down your answer. As well as we will also share few information on this Golden Temple as well as the world largest community kitchen. So let us start our video. So on the screen you can see the picture of the Golden Temple and it is at Amritsar. So do you know where Amritsar is, in which state? Yes, it is in Punjab. Okay, and it is a famous Gurudwara in our country. So in this Gurudwara or the Golden Temple at Amritsar, it is the world largest community kitchen. There is a world largest community kitchen where the food is served to thousands of people daily, which is called Guru Kalangar, the Golden Temple. So in this Golden Temple, the food is served to lot of tourists or the devotee who is coming over there. And this in this kitchen, more than 10,000 peoples daily eat food over there. Okay, and the food is cooked over there. That is why it is called the world largest community kitchen. You see on the picture, it is shown over there. Okay, one person is cooking the food on the big pots over there. So Guru Kalangar, the Golden Temple. The langar in bracket, it is community kitchen at Golden Temple serve a massive number, that is more than lakhs of people a day on holidays or religious occasion. Okay, on religious occasion more than lakhs of people are getting food over there. Okay, even sometimes the number gets more and more. Here you can see on the screen some of the people are preparing the langar, preparation of Guru Kalangar in the Golden Temple in Amritsar. So can you see? Okay, it is a really big kitchen. Okay, the food which is cooked over there daily on basis more than 10,000 people, sometimes it touches to 1 lakh also on some special occasion day. And lots of people are engaged in making rotis, okay, and the other kara prasad, okay, and different vegetables, okay, over there. Okay, so who are the people working over there? The women volunteers, the children, okay, even some other people are also serving. No caterers or any other are allowed to serve the food over there. They used to cook the food and they used to serve the food to the people. See, here is a machine which is automatically making the rotis or the chapatis. Okay, and they are also cooking some of the vegetables over here which will be served with roti. So lot of nice pictures you can see on the screen. Here you can see a free meal for all, nearly more than 10,000 pilgrims daily. The pilgrims are the person or the devotee who are coming to visit that temple. Okay, and they are eating over there. So you can see lot of people are sitting side by side and they are enjoying the food. Okay, There is no division or no class, no caste. Everyone are same over here, and they are taking the food over there. So more than 10,000 people daily. Even it sometimes crosses 1 lakh also on some special days. So it is the world's largest community kitchen. I hope many of you have visited over there. If you have not visited, once if you get the opportunity or the scope, you go over there and visit. And if you want also, you can enjoy the langar over there on the community kitchen. So after serving the food, all the people are just putting out the plates, okay, for washing. So lots of people are engaged over there. In the picture you can see the work of the people. Now some information on this Guru Ka Langar. Okay, so it is a case study. On the 2 slide I have provided the case study. You will read the case study properly and you have to answer the questions at the end of the case study. So let's start. Guru Ka Langar, the tradition of serving langar initiated by Guru Nanak Dev Ji and then established by the 3rd Guru, Sri Guru Amar Das. So who started this tradition of Guru Ka Langar, providing food to the people? Okay, this tradition was initiated by Guru Nanak and then established by their 3rd Guru, who is known as Guru Amar Das Ji. And where did they started? At Gondwal. The institution of Guru Ka Langar has served the community in many ways. So they are serving the community in many ways. It was ensured the participation of women and children in a task of service for the people. So this institution, okay, they are providing the food, okay, which is known as Guru Ka Langar and has served people of several communities. And here the women and children, they are mainly engaged in the task of the service of the people. Women play an important role in preparation of meals and the children helps in serving food to the devotee and the tourist. So sometimes the women are preparing the meals, already you have seen it in the picture previously, and sometimes the children are also helping them for serving the food to the devotees. Langar also teaches the equity of eating in a community situation. So it teaches us how we can be sit at a time, okay, the equity, all are equal, okay, sitting side by side, and we will enjoy our meal, okay, in a community situation. Everyone is welcome to share the langar. No one is turned away. Each week, a family or several families volunteers to provide and prepare the langar. So from different parts of the country, the people are coming over there. Okay, in the week, several families and their volunteers, they are serving over there. They are cooking the food over there. They are providing or serving the food to the people. There may be several hundreds people to feed, and caterers are not allowed. All the preparation, the cooking and the washing up is done by the volunteers and by the volunteers' helps, that is sevadars. So everything is done by the people, volunteers. So who are the volunteers? You can also become a volunteer. You can go over there, you can ask them that I want to serve the food over there, okay, and they will also give you some permit to be a volunteer over there, okay, or the helpers of the volunteers, that is called the sevadars, and you can provide your service, or you can also serve the food to the people over there. Okay, and no caterers are allowed over there. All the people, volunteers people, they are serving the food. In the Golden Temple community kitchen, at an average over 10,000 devotees, average 1 lakh devotees or the tourists take langar in the community kitchen. More than 1 lakh people sometimes. Okay, from 10,000 to 1 lakh people daily, they are taking the food in the community kitchen on daily basis. But the number become almost double in the special occasion. Even during some special occasion, the number becomes double. So more than lakhs of peoples, okay, are taking the food as a langar, okay, or the langar in the Golden Temple of Amritsar. And it is also called the world largest community kitchen. So it is the case study. From here I have provided some questions to you. So after reading the case study, you should write down all the question in your copy and you will try to find out the answer and write it down. Question number 1. Who initiated the tradition of serving langar? Number 2. How are women and children participate in the task of serving people? Number 3. Where is the world largest community kitchen located? You have to name the place as well as the state also. How many devotees take langar in the community kitchen daily? No need to write the exact number, approx you can write over there. And what did langar teach us? These 5 questions you can write from this case study. Okay, if you cannot, I will help you in the next doubt clearing class. So thank you student, thank you everyone, and have a nice day ahead.